Welcome back guys to CryptoFi channel, and today I want to double check on the Bubblemaps, some tokens on Apechain. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I highly recommend you subscribe channel and go and check the big playlist about Bubblemaps on-chain analytic. In this playlist I will double check some different chains, some different tokens, share that tutorial how to work with this platform, and it's really amazing tool because we can double check an early stage, even at the launch date, and today I will show you on the Apechain how the tokens being distributed at the first day. So it's really important because if you see some token hold some big emission, the tokens, it's definitely can be the red flag. First of all, you can find the Apechain tokens links using just the basic CoinGecko. You can go to chains, for example. We sort by name, right? And we got like 15 tokens now exist on Apechain. It's not a big one, but we're gonna double check the Ape one or some of this one tokens. Market capitalization 193K, and this is how the chart looks like. What do we have to do? We just copy the contract address, go into the Bubblemaps and paste it here. So we'll find it. So Curtis on the Apechain, done. Open the main page, and on the main page we can find this is a current about the distribution of this token, and I want to double check the first launch day, of course. What this bubble means. Each bubble, it's one single wallet. Like we see here, some 2.3% of all emission of the tokens in hand of this guy. But basically it's not a big deal and everything looks okay when we track just the holders and explorer. But we see the connections. So each line, it's connections between the wallets. It means this connected cluster, it can be the one of one group of people, it can be some team, some insiders, and in this way when we check the cluster, we can find, so this cluster hold the orange one, like 3.54% of total supply. This one is 6%. And it's kind of can be red flag. So like you can see the tokens distributed at equal proportion, right? 0.70% between the different wallets. Of course, everything totally, like anonymous, and we can't know who stay behind, but we know, so these guys, they control this emission and they can dump the price at any moment if they start sell this token by market price, on DEXs, for example. We can use also the magic nodes if they available. For this token, there is no magic nodes. I recommend you use the time travel option. How to work with time travel, I already posted the video. Check the launch date. How at the beginning, because the chart looks like this one. It was like October 24, and the price significantly going down. That's why probably something wrong with this token at the launch day. We press the launch day with a time travel, and here is the more interesting stuff. So we can see this one, only one single wallet control 4.5% of total emission. Here was the 11% of total supply. So it's kind of weird, and it's definitely the red flag. Even if the value is so low, it no makes sense to invest in this type of risky tokens. And here we got a magic nodes. We turn on and see the more connections, some untracked wallets. It means we got like 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters which hold some almost 20%, I guess, total emission of the token at the launch date. And it's definitely the red flag, guys. Let's go to the Bubblemaps main page, and we can also check the chains. So we scroll it down to the Apechain and find. So this is a trending tokens and this is a future token. So let's double check some trending one, like with the biggest market capitalization. So here, this one, Wong. So at this present moment, this orange cluster hold 24%. So if we check the data, so there's 37 addresses, different addresses, but all of them connected together. In total, they hold over than 24% of total emission. That's why in the right moment and right time with the right price target, they will drop immediately. This token. Here is a 11K value, this alone. This one is, and here we can track even by names. Here 4% of total supply. Here's a loan, 10%. So imagine just 2 clusters hold over than 30% of total emission. Definitely, guys, the red flag. And if we check the launch date, I think we'll see something interesting also. So this was the launch date, and imagine this wallet holds 7% total emission, this 10%, this 6%. So guys, when you see something like this one at the beginning, it can't be the fail launch. The fail launch, it's when you see dozens or hundreds bubbles not connected, right? That's why, guys, I highly recommend you, before you invest in some risky meme coins, no matter what chain it is, double check with the Bubblemaps. A link will be on the description below. Hope you like this video, subscribe channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.